book and film, particularly the ending. Moore ultimately felt that this drama succeeded where others had failed.
I am in a fight. Now I will not leave my men.
Number 5. Glory. Compared to World War I and World War II, Hollywood has not paid much attention to the American Civil War or the soldiers who fought in it. Glory transports its Massachusetts Infantry Regiment, an African-American unit.
You're a good shot, Private. Thank you, sir.
Drawing inspiration from Shaw's personal letters, Glory has been praised for its honest portrayal of race relations at the time and the brutality of war. The climactic battle at Fort Wagner, despite getting some minor details wrong, is a mostly accurate account that doesn't romanticize or sugarcoat the aftermath.
You should have seen us in action 2 days ago. We were a sight to see.
Number 4. Black Hawk Down.
We got a Black Hawk down, we got a Black Hawk down.
In Black Hawk Down, director Ridley Scott plunges the audience into explosive anarchy. Never gives us a second. This exceptionally edited film
Huawei Mate X. Faltbare Handys sind ein Trend, der immer mehr Unternehmen erobert. Mehrere Hersteller wie Samsung, LG, Royal und natürlich Huawei haben bereits solche Modelle entwickelt. Um das auf dem Bildschirm gezeigte Smartphone zu